Welcome. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps on how to unblock someone on the Discord app for PC with the new update. Whether you blocked a friend by mistake, or you just want to reconnect, the process only takes a few clicks. Let's get started right away. First, open the Discord app on your computer. Make sure you are logged into the account where the person was originally blocked. Once the app is open, head over to your list of direct messages. This is where you'll find all the conversations you've had with different users. Next, scroll through your chats and find the conversation with the person you want to unblock. Even if they are currently blocked, their chat will still be visible in your list of direct messages. This makes it easy to locate them without having to search too hard. Once you've found their chat, hover your mouse over it, and then right-click. This will open up a menu with several options related to that user. Here's the important part. Look for the option that says Unblock. It should be listed right there in the menu. Click Unblock, and just like that, the block is removed. That person will immediately be able to send you messages again, and you'll now be able to send messages to them as well. Essentially, all communication between you and that user is restored instantly. It really is that straightforward. Just 4 steps. Open the app, find their chat, right-click, and unblock. This method works with the new update of Discord, so you don't have to go digging through settings or searching for hidden menus. One thing to keep in mind is that unblocking someone doesn't automatically add them as a friend. If you want to reconnect fully, you may still need to send a friend request if you aren't already friends on Discord. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to unblock anyone on Discord using the updated PC version of the app.